Nag-swimming na siya. I-tour mo ako.
Okay, give me.
Ikaw, ako magaganito. Dali, go.
Okay.
Room tour by Cara.
So, this is the first bed, and then the second bed is in the top,
On top?
and then
Ganyan pala.
and then this one, the down bed. Up. So, and there's a drawer here.
Wow. Parang ganyan dapat yung room ni Cara,
Hindi
ha?
na-notice ni Tita Kaysen.
May bunk bed, tapos may
And then
drawer.
there's also another drawer here. That is very mabaho.
Mabaho. Ew, baka lagay ng shoes. Huwag mo na i-open kung stinky.
And there's a bed over here.
This is Lola and Lola's room.
And then there's a bathroom over there. And there's a closet
Okay?
to keep some stuff there. And then put some shoes. And then the
May view ba?
balcony. See the table?
Hot!
This is where you can sit around.
Let's go, Cara. Ang init.
There's a pool over there. And then a lake.
Okay.
And there's also my bed.
Diyan ka? Ayaw mo dun sa room with us?
And then the couch over here. Okay. Now the downstairs.
Later na yan.
Guys, we're gonna eat.
Dito na tayo sa service natin. Vlog na. Gano'n ba yun? Hi everyone! Ay, ito na ba?
Hello.
Ayan. Ikaw umawa, kuya.
Hi, Hamad me.
Ikaw umawa.
Cara. Cara po ito na lang. May seatbelt ako. Okay, seatbelt.
Ay, Cara.
And me.
Lolo. Hello. Anani.
Hello. And me. I'm so dark. Also dark.
Now we're eating. Night. See you tomorrow.
Natin yung mga kids. Good morning! Ang ganda! Pogi! Ah. Good morning! How's your sleep?
Here's the view.
Ito ba yung view? Wow!
There's a swimming pool there.
Where's the pool?
In the side.
Sa side? Nasa side ba? Ang lake. Ano yung view? Hanapin yung view. Oh, when are our way? Saan tayo ba? Sa beach or sa pool? Beach. Sa beach pala. Sa beach. Kuya. We're on our way to the beach. Oo nga. Joke lang. Ganon ka sa akin sumagot eh.
Lumilipad siya. Lumilipad siya.
Yun. Let's go, swim na. So, ayan si Kara, oh. Kara! Saan ka? Hi! We're done swimming. We're done swimming. Where are we going now? Oo.
Basta ka? I didn't know.
Kaya ka naka-rash guard. Buti na lang. Let's go to the pool naman. Ayun yung beach. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the beach. To the beach.
Mama, beach. We're going to the swimming pool.
sea urchins.
Punta tayo sa pool. Swimming kasi
I didn't know
Kara.
there's sea urchins. There's also fish.
We're at the swimming pool.
There's the pool. Yan na yung pool. Wala ba naman yan?
Wala ka naman itong para natin. Yung floater ni Kara na lang, floater.
Daddy.
Where are you gonna swim there or here?
Pahiga para. Go back na sa room. Kara, let's go back. Sa room. Tulong. Ride the shuttle. Hindi ka na.
Let's go to the hotel room. We haven't given you a tour in the downstairs.
Okay.
Shower kayo. Caleb! Caleb!
Play area. Kara. Cold. Oh, may pogi dito. Naglalakad.
Wala. Over post yan ah.
Post ko to. Kara, we're walking. Then shadow. Shadow. Ayun yung shadow. Let's ride. Shadow. We're gonna eat first.
I'm hungry.
Okay, let's eat. Gonna eat first before going home.
Sino?